Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your car's oil. First, gather your tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. You'll also need the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 5 quarts, and a new oil filter. Now, place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Use your wrench to carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old, dirty oil drain completely into the pan. This might take several minutes. Once it's fully drained, clean the drain plug and reinstall it securely, but do not over-tighten. Next, locate the old oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being careful as some residual oil might spill. Take your new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket, and then hand tighten it onto the engine. Finally, open the oil fill cap and carefully pour in the new engine oil, typically around 5 to 5 quarts. After adding the oil, replace the fill cap and start your engine for a minute to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter. Remember to dispose of the old oil responsibly. Also, for a cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.